elements in React. In this video, we are going to learn how React renders elements to the screen. Rendering is how we tell React what do we want the user to see. Let's break it down step by step. First, what is React element? A React element is the simplest building block in the React app. It describes what we want to appear on screen. It's like saying, "Hey React, I want a heading that says Hello World." Here is how that looks in JSX. Const element is equal to h1 hello react. h1 close. This line of code creates a React element. Behind the scenes, JSX is converted to a JavaScript object using React.createElement. But creating an element isn't enough. We need to tell React where to show it on the page. For that, we use React DOM, the library that connects React with the browser's DOM. Let's see the full rendering process. Import React from React. Import React DOM from react-dom/client. Const element is equal to h1 hello world h1 close. Const root is equal to react dom.create root. Document.get element root.render element. Let's break this down. This gets the DOM node where we want to render our app. Usually this is a div with the ID root found inside the public/index.html file. Next, react dom.createRoot. This creates a React root that controls everything rendered inside that div. Then .render element tells React, this is what I want to show inside the root. And just like that, React renders your content to the browser. Let's try something dynamic. What if we wanted to display a personalized greeting? Const name is equal to Sumaya. Const greeting is equal to h1 hello, comma in the braces name. h1 close root.render greeting. By using curly braces, you can embed variables, expressions, and even function calls inside JSX. React evaluates them before rendering the final result. Now here is the exciting part. React is reactive. If your data changes, React can automatically update the UI. That means you don't need to manually update the DOM. React does it for you quickly and efficiently. Now let's quickly clarify something important. React uses two main concepts, elements and components. A React element is just a plain object that describes what you want to render. A component is a function that returns a React element or multiple elements. Here is a component, function welcome, return h2 welcome to React, h2 close. Don't worry, we will dive deeper into the components in the next video. Let's recap. A React element is a description of UI. We render elements to the DOM using React DOM.createRoot and .render. JSX lets us write elements in a clean, readable way. React updates the UI automatically when data changes. Pretty cool, right? In the next video, we will move on to the React components, the true power behind reusable interactive UIs. See you there.